Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a SharePoint communication site directly from the SharePoint Admin Center in Office 365. We'll also touch on why we choose the department template for this demonstration and explain a key customization feature we'll need for future development. So before we dive into the details, let's quickly highlight the differences between a team site and a communication site. A team site is ideal for collaborative workspaces where small to large teams can store documents, organize files, and actively collaborate. They come integrated with tools like Microsoft Teams and are focused on day-to-day project management. On the other hand, a communication site is designed for broader communication, typically used to broadcast information to a larger audience. They are perfect for sharing news, reports, or updates across the entire organization. In this video, I've chosen the communication site option to keep things simple and structured for department-level communication. For this demonstration, we went with the department template under the communication site option. This template is optimized for internal communication across departments, ensuring that everyone within your department has access to important updates and resources in a clean and engaging format. While selecting, you might have noticed I hovered over the Brand Central template. This option is geared more toward organizations that need to establish branding guidelines. But for our purposes today, the department template makes more sense for internal communication. Once the site is created, I've added an owner to the site, which is critical for managing permissions and content updates moving forward. Now, one important customization we need to enable is custom scripts on this site. This is something Microsoft has made easier over the years. Previously, enabling custom scripts required PowerShell commands. However, now you can enable this option directly through the SharePoint Admin Center, which is a big improvement for those of us working on custom development. We'll be leveraging custom scripts for some advanced development on this site in upcoming videos. So make sure to enable this if you plan to follow along. That wraps up today's quick overview. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on SharePoint and Office 365. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.